If you're looking for a 4x4 pickup truck that's in good shape, low miles, we'll take a look. Beautiful red color, Z71 Silverado. It's the LT model. You can see it's got a nice hitch there. As we step up inside, it does have power seats, power windows, power locks, and black leather interior. Beautiful. Seating for 6 with that armrest that flips up. A little bit of storage underneath that as well. Just 70,000 miles in this 2012 Silverado. You can see it has the Z71 labeled badges there. Cruise control as well as audio controls there on the steering wheel. Speaking of audio, what are we listening to? Joy FM. Love that. Dual climate control down below also. Climbing up into the back, this is a crew cab pickup truck, so it's got the full-size back seat with flip-down armrest there also. This thing's going to sell super fast. Come check it out in Hillsboro.